Good wishes, dear students. In today's class, we will learn another 2-mark oriented numericals from your solid state chemistry. This question is taken from question number 20 of Answer the Following from page number 201. The given question is, if NaCl is doped with a 10 to the power minus 2 mole percentage of strontium chloride, what is the concentration of a cation vacancy created? Before we move on to this working out of the numericals, I would like to show you the concept which you have learned under impurity defects. There I am not going in detail, only I am showing you the structure. We talked about the existing crystal structure of silver chloride, doping it with the cadmium chloride. Now in this case, impurity defect, when we say silver is of monovalent ion and a cadmium is of divalent ion. So when we are doping, when we are adding cadmium chloride to the existing structure of silver chloride, now since it's a monovalent and divalent, the incoming cadmium chloride ion, a cadmium ion which is of divalent in nature, will create two vacancy. Out of the two, one will be occupied by the incoming group, one will be left empty. I hope I'm making my points clear. One silver ion going out is replaced with the incoming of two ions of cadmium. So out of the two incoming, one will occupy the position of a Ag plus ion. The other ion vacancy will be left as it is. And that's the point we are talking. Therefore, the number of vacancies created in the lattice of sodium chloride. Here again, sodium is of univalent, strontium is of divalent category. Lattice of sodium chloride is equal to the number of divalent strontium plus 2 ions added here. That's what I showed you the picture. One coming in of Cd plus will create a one vacancy. Actually, two vacancies are created. So out of it, one will be occupied by the Cd plus 2 and one will be left as it is here. So that's the same point we have written. The number of vacancies created in the lattice of NaCl is equal to the number of Sr plus 2 ions added. So going back to the question, given detail, NaCl is doped with 10 to the power minus 2 mole percentage of strontium chloride. Now let's convert it. So 10 to the power minus 2 mole percentage is given. So the given number divide by 100. Now 2 zeros we've got, take it to the numerator. So it becomes 10 to the power minus 4 mole. Coming back to the question, therefore, number of cation vacancy created is equals to number of moles of strontium chloride. This is the number of strontium chloride. Moles of strontium chloride into Na. Na stands for Avogadro's number. Multiply it, that is 10 to the power minus 4 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Now, laws of exponents can be followed because both the places base is 10. So, 10 to the power 23 into 10 to the power minus 4 gives us 10 to the power 19. So, therefore, concentration of the vacancy created is equals to 6.023 into 10 to the power 19 per mole. Thank you.